Welcome to the Farm Kids! Today, we're going to meet some of our favorite farm animals. Are you ready? Let's meet the cow. This is Bessie, the cow. Can you say cow? Cow gives us milk, which we can use to make cheese, ice cream, and butter. Dairy cows also provide us with meat, and hides of cows can be used to make items we use daily like jackets, shoes, basketballs, and even baseball gloves. And here's Pressy, the pig. Pig loves to roll in the mud and eat yummy food. Can you say pig? Pigs are found and raised worldwide, providing valuable products for humans, including pork, lard, leather, glue, fertilizer, and various medicines. And now let's meet Clicky the chicken. Can you say chicken? Chickens lays eggs that we can use to cook delicious meals, supplying you with fresh, healthy eggs from well-cared for animals, giving you great fertilizer for gardening. And now we have Sam the sheep. Sam has soft wool that we can use to make warm clothes. Can you say sheep? Domesticated sheep are raised for their fleece, wool for milk and for meat. And finally, this is Harry the horse. Harry helps us with the work at the farm and loves to run and play. Can you say horse? Many products are derived from horses, including meat, milk, hide, hair, bone, and pharmaceutical extracted from the urine of pregnant mares. How amazing, right? Human provides domesticated horses with food, water, and shelter. Animals bring many benefits to the farm besides the food they produce. Just like plants, a variety of animals is better for the farm and the farmer. And that's it! We have met so many wonderful farm friends today. Remember their names: cow, pig, chicken, sheep, and horse. Thanks for visiting the farm with us. See you next time, and thank you for watching.